are going to make a nature name. A nature name. How do we do that? Choose. We can use our nickname, our full name. We could use our first name or our last name. Choose. And then we're going to cover it up with all different kinds of things we find outside. I'm going to use the inside of a cereal box. I'm just going to cut out the shape I want to use. If you can write your name, then you're going to write it. If you're still working on writing your name, Mom and Dad can help you. For this, I'm going to show you how I would do my son Max's name. So first, you have to write your name, and you can write it big. Fill up the whole piece of paper so that you have room to glue on your pieces from nature. So I'm going to draw a big M, up, down, up, down. I'm going to draw a big A, capital A, up, down, and across. And then I'm going to do an X, a capital X, uppercase. Great big giant X. There we go. M-A-X. Match where the lines of the name are and glue something down. If you don't want to glue it down and you just want to use this as something to play with, then just do this on something really sturdy, and then you could take this outside even and pick pieces of grass and fill up your name. You could find sand and fill up your name. And I'm going to make it go really fast by using hot glue, but that's just for moms and dads to use because it's hot. So I'm going to put the glue right on top of the line that I drew for Max's M. And then I'm going to find a stick that size, and I'm going to put it right on there, just like that. And I'm going to keep building and finding different ways I can use these pieces of things. And I will show you what it's like when I'm done. You get started on yours. Okay, I have the M done. I decided to do that all using sticks. Now I'm going to move on to the A. Okay, for the A, I decided to use bark from a tree. So I filled that in. And now I have the X. Dandelion. Yeah, I think I have 2 long dandelions. I could put one on here and I can put the other on. And the flower can be on there. I'll show it to you when I'm done. And here it is with the dandelion on it. All done. M-A-X spells Max. I hope you have fun making your nature name. Bye. I'm going to go show this to Max. Max, I made you something.